Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Happy Friday. I had a hard time trading today. It was a tough market for me. I did take a 5-minute opening range breakdown on CCL. This was not a very great trade. I entered as after the 5-minute candle closed below the VWAP. It pulled back and I went short as it rejected the VWAP for the first time with a tight stop loss above the VWAP. I took a first partial after this 1-minute candle closed as a doji. It was an unnecessary partial. It was quite choppy. And then I took a really nice partial at this 1580 level, which is the bottom of the 8 a.m. candle, which if you were in the room, you heard Peter talk about the importance of this 8 a.m. candle. And so I took a really nice partial there. And then the rest came back and stopped me out. I continued to watch it as the 15-minute candle closed, and on the pullback, I really thought about getting back into it, but it was not an A1 setup for me. As you can see, these 5-minute wicks were really wild and crazy. So that is what prevented me from getting back into this trade. So I started looking for something else. And my final trade was on Tesla. I have been trading Tesla a lot lately. I know that a lot of people don't really like trading it, but I am kind of getting used to the way it trades. And I never trade it in the first hour. I really like to see it pick I like to see what it's going to do for the first hour, because if I do trade it in the first hour, I usually get chopped up. I also give it a lot of room. My stop losses are definitely not tight on this trade. And I do not risk a lot, because the way this moves, you can really make really nice money risking very little. As a matter of fact, I think I risked $50 on this trade. I noticed that on the 15-minute, there were really nice large wicks to this previous day high. And another thing with Tesla, I really look at the larger time frames, really the 15-minute and the 5-minute. I don't pay too much attention to the 1-minute, maybe for the entry, but if I watch the 1-minute and I'm in the trade, I get stopped out very easy, thinking it's going to reverse against me. Anyhow, I saw these these wicks that came down and touched the previous day high on the 15-minute, and it started making new 5-minute highs and lows. And also, when I went long, the SPY started pulling back as well. So I took it long as a reversal back to the VWAP, and my stop loss was below this the previous 5-minute candle. And my first partial was taken. It was taken close to the VWAP, or it was the VWAP on the 15-minute chart. And then I just talked about I don't use the 1-minute chart, but however, I saw all this volume come in when it popped up through the VWAP, and then it threw up this this doji candle on the 1-minute. So I went ahead and exited most of my position above that. And then the rest of it came back and stopped me out. I think I am going to call it quits after that. I'm not going to push my luck. For those of you that are interested, next week, September 23rd, Andrew is going to be live on YouTube. He's going to be doing a trading momentum at the open, a scalper's guide to 1 minute opening range breakouts. So I'll try to get the link below for those of you that are interested. It's going to be a great event. And yes, make sure you're there. September 23rd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. All right. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.